Good day, sir. My name is Janine Jipilin. I am a BSMT student section STG. This is my video explaining the Global Maritime Distress and Safety Systems and Subsystems. The Global Maritime Distress and Safety Systems, or GMDSS, is an internationally recognized set of procedures, equipment, and communication protocols designed to increase safety and efficiency in maritime distress situations. It was developed by the International Maritime Organization, or IMO, to ensure the ships and at sea can communicate with shore stations and other vessels in case of emergency. So, ang GMDSS is about kuan like saon pag-communicate sa laing ships in case og manginhanglan og tabang like mga kung nay mga emergency nga na. So, katong kuan like mo kunta ka sa laing maki-communicate ka sa laing ships para mapahibaw ka nga sa imong nature of distress like kon mga ni or fire explosion, piracy, mga na ba. Also tong Morse code unsa pag communicate. Then the key components of GMDSS is emergency position indicating radio beacons or EPIRBs. EPIRBs are devices that transmit a distress signal when activated, providing search and rescue authorities with the vessel's location. So mao to tong mo send kag transmit kag distress signal para mahibaw-an ang imong kuan malukit ug sa dapit ang kuan location sa imong vessel. So next is search and rescue transponders. SARTs. SARTs are radar transponder that assist in locating a survival craft or distress vessel by providing accurate position information to nearby ships or aircraft. Very high frequency or VHF radios. VHF radios are used for short range communications between vessels and as well as for distress alerts within coastal areas. Inmarsat satellite communication. GMDSS utilizes satellite communications through systems like Inmarsat to enable long-range distress alerting and messaging capabilities. Digital Selective Calling or DSC. DSC is a digital method of establishing contact with other vessels or coast stations for routine, urgency, or distress communications. Subsystems with GMDSS. Maritime Safety Information MSI system. This subsystem provides vessels with navigational warnings, meteorological updates, and other safety-related information to enhance situational awareness. Navtex system. Navtex system broadcasts navigational warnings, weather forecast, and other urgent information to ships equipped with Navtex receivers in coastal waters. Automatic Identification System or AIS. AIS enables ships to broadcast their identity, position, course, speed, and other relevant data to nearby vessels and shore stations for collision avoidance and maritime domain awareness. So mo to tong like mo maki-communicate ka sa likon like all ships. This is motor vessel dula, call sign like ingana. Imong ipabaw nimo ang imong kuan mo identity, position, course, speed, and other relevant data to nearby vessels para nga matabangan ka maka-communicate ka sa kuan. In conclusion, the global maritime distress and safety systems plays a crucial role in enhancing maritime safety by ensuring effective communication during emergencies through a comprehensive set of equipment and protocols. That's all, sir. Thank you.